Hey guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Today we're going to do a quick tutorial on a hybrid pink ombre. I achieved this look with this technique I picked up a while ago on Instagram. I can't even remember who posted it, but I forgot all about it and I just remembered, and this client wanted some ombre nails, so I figured give it a shot. I used gel polish. We did 2 coats of this Nude Sophisticated Lady. It's one of my old school go-tos. That company is actually going through some shifts, so I don't know if this color is still available, but it is definitely a go-to. I stock up on it, so I got a bunch of these in stock. But we went ahead and did 2 coats of this nude color to her nails. Did the second cure completely thoroughly, 60 seconds in the LED light. We did not remove the sticky dispersion layer. You want to make sure that's super duper important if you want to achieve this look. We're gonna use the dispersion layer to adhere the colored acrylic powder. That's the trick. I've seen this done with dip powder, where they apply their base and then dip the nail into the powder, and then it gives it this ombre look. This is a little bit more work, but it's like still super easy compared to doing a gel polish ombre. Blending the 2 colors, it takes forever, especially when you're doing it on long extensions like this. And so what I did was take a old acrylic brush and I kind of messed it up and I smashed it on my desk onto the paper towel to kind of fluffen it up and get all the hairs loose. And all I'm doing is dipping my brush into the acrylic colored powder and using it to feather in the color of the ombre. You'll see that I apply a lot of pressure at the tip, and then I just feather it up. 2 coats of this and you have a really nice ombre. I always have my client lift their hand up and look at it to see if it's a nice blend and to see if we need to add more color. So once you're satisfied with that first initial application of the acrylic powder, you can still kind of see where it starts and it begins. But you're gonna cap it with the clear base coat of your choice. I'm using Ugly Duckling's base coat. Sometimes you'll notice when you're mixing brands, when you cure, it'll come out with like either shrinkage or separation of the, you know, whatever coat you just put on, because the chemicals of both colors don't mix. So it really doesn't bother me, because I usually just I do a light buff to the nail, and that handles it. And then I just proceed with a top coat, and it normally does my clients pretty fine. We don't have any major issues with polish removal and whatnot. Yeah, I'm glad that I was able to remember this technique, and it definitely helped me out. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thumbs up, comment, like this video, share it. Check me out on social media, Instagram at Polished Hawaii. But yeah, thanks again. See you guys next time.